How is it going everybody? Mr. Android here. Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. As someone who loves trying different Android UIs and really care about the software experience, I recently got my hands on this upcoming Infinix phone, and when I got to know this device is running the latest XOS 16, I was really excited to try out all the new features and share it with all of you. With that being said, after testing out the all-new XOS 16, I am here to show you the reasons why I think this is the most underrated UI that actually gives you one of the best Android experiences you can get on a budget or mid-range phone. It's gonna be a super interesting one, so stay tuned and watch this video until the very end. Also, let's aim for at least 1000 likes on this one. With that said, drop a like, leave a comment, and let's get started. Now, before we proceed further, I see many of you are not happy about how the flagship phones are getting expensive these days, and due to this inflation in smartphone prices, I have noticed a lot of people have started buying phones from second-hand market, which is completely fine, but the problem comes when you buy a pre-owned iPhone. Everything might look perfect at first, but when you turn it on and see this activation lock screen, or maybe let's say you have forgotten your own passcode after not using your phone for a while, which can happen to anybody, isn't it? No matter whatever the reason is, but getting logged out of your own device is extremely frustrating, and guess what? I've got you the exact solution that will help you to get out of this situation. Wondershare Dr.Fone Screen Unlock is an amazing tool that can bypass iPhone security locks safely without any hassle. All you have to do is simply download and install the Dr.Fone application, and here you will find the main dashboard where we have got a bunch of useful tools for your everyday smartphone needs. But the feature we want is the screen unlock. So just go inside, and meanwhile also make sure you have connected your iPhone via USB cable. Now here click on iOS. It's gonna ask you to choose the unlock type. You can either select unlock iOS screen or choose iCloud activation lock removal depending on your requirement. I'll select iOS screen unlock, then the software automatically identifies the phone's model, so you just need to click on start. It will then show you the step-by-step instructions that you need to follow in order to unlock your phone screen. It's gonna take a few minutes depending on your internet speed, but the overall process is pretty damn simple, and within no time, your device will get unlocked with the help of Dr.Fone. Definitely check this one out, link is in the description below. Alright guys, starting things with the most popular feature that every brand is trying to work on, and that is the lock screen customization. Let's see what Infinix has to offer with XOS 16 in terms of customizations related to the lock screen. First of all, unlike other Chinese skins, here we can go directly to the customization page by just long pressing on it, and look at how beautiful they have designed this interface. No doubt the inspiration is taken from iOS, but still for a UI that mostly runs on a budget or mid-range phones, this actually looks really good and visually pleasing to the eyes. We have got options like depth effect wallpapers, anime portraits, gradient mode, doodle notes, and if you just hit on this plus icon, you get more gorgeous looking themes with different styles and effects. My favorite has to be this depth of field wallpaper section, and if you select any of this, here you can see how everything blends together to perfectly match your always on display, lock screen and the home screen. First things first, we do get this beautiful clock on the AOD that automatically stretches when you go to the lock screen, and it has a frosted glass look with the depth effect just like iOS 26. But XOS 16 takes it to another level, and things get even more interesting when you look at the home screen. The depth effect remains on your home screen too, and when you place any of your icons or widgets, it goes beyond the subject, which does look absolutely stunning. Guys, this is the first time I'm seeing the depth effect being implemented right on your phone's home screen. The best part, you can also use your own wallpapers, which by the way you can download from an app called Screencraft, which is a beautiful place to download some amazing looking wallpapers for your phone, including the depth ones too. You will get a direct link for this app in the video description. Definitely try this one out. Not only the wallpapers, you also get the option to enable or disable the depth effect on your home screen. This is actually pretty damn cool. I mean, not just for the lock screen, you also get the cool depth effect on your home screen too. Now talking about the lock screen, we do get 4 different clock styles to choose from. You can change the font, adjust the thickness, and you can also customize and change the color if you want to. Guys, if you select portrait lock screens, you get options to add an outline to the subject. You can change the background and make the subject pop on your lock screen. So there are plenty you can do with your lock screen, and I think they have done a fantastic job here in terms of customizations. Not just that, XOS 16 also brings a significant visual redesign inspired by the iOS liquid glass, and they're calling it the glow space design language. As you can see, even the stock icons have got that translucent kind of a glass effect, making it more modern and elegant compared to previous XOS 15. Then if you go into the widget section, here also they have added some new and beautiful looking widgets that again look so classy and will further enhance the look of your home screen. This new glow space design can also be found when you open stock applications such as the phone dialer, gallery, clock, and in many more places. And just look at how fluid and smooth the animations feel. I mean, this UI is mainly designed for budget and mid-range phones, but still each and every element throughout the interface looks very modern and premium. Now coming to the control center, it has the same liquid glass look, and when you interact with every single toggle, it has a nice jiggle effect that looks really good. When you open the quick settings, see how the animations flows from the right corner, and when opening the notifications, it opens from the left side. So the overall aesthetics and the design language of XOS 16 are something that we all should appreciate, considering the fact that it's a UI specially designed for budget and mid-range phones. Guys, one more thing I wanted to show you is that the icons are now scalable, which means you can change the shape of these app icons and reposition them however you want to. So you get every single customization feature on the latest XOS 16. Next, if you go into the settings page, here we get a separate section for all the AI features, and they're calling it as Infinix AI. When you go inside, we have Folux Voice, which is Infinix's own voice assistant that helps you get things done with just your voice command. Then there is AI Call Assistant, Translation Assistant, Social Assistant, AI Writing Tools, AI Cutout, and AI Theme Generator that lets you easily generate your personalized wallpapers in just a few clicks. But what's more interesting in XOS 16 is we do get a brand new one tap button feature. By the way, there is a shortcut button we have in this Infinix device, and here you can assign a specific function to this button. You can long press to toggle the flashlight, open the camera, put your phone in mute, start screen recording, and then there is something called AI Snap Memo. When you assign this particular action, it basically acts like a mind space feature which we get on OnePlus and Oppo phones. So when you long press the button, it recognizes what's on your phone screen, analyze and saves it directly to the Mind Hub space, from where you can access all your saved screenshots with detailed information. You can also add reminders with the help of this feature. So what they have done is they have taken all the useful features from different brands and then implemented all of them brilliantly in their XOS 16. I'm glad to see such an amazing set of features and tools on a budget phone like this. And this is why I think it has all the potential to be the best Android UI for low-end and mid-range phones. Let me know in the comment section which is your favorite feature of XOS 16. And if you guys like this video, then be sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. I'm Mr. Android, and I'll see you guys in the next one.